Hello guys, my name is Samas Gantait. Today I will see you how to wiring this Wi-Fi board. Okay, let's start. You can see this is the user manual, okay? And you can see this is the PCB and this is the sample of PCB. You can see the both. Here you can see the 2 terminal connector and this is the 3 terminal connector. Okay, you can see here 2 color of wire, one red and one black. Red wire means live wire and black wire means neutral wire. You can see this 3 pin of terminal is the output of the PCB and this 2 pin terminal is power switch. Each 3 pin terminal, the middle screw is neutral. This is neutral, this is neutral, this is neutral. All the middle pin of the each 3 pin terminal is middle screw of the each terminal is neutral. And red wire means live wire. In left side, you can see the power switch connect the power supply and Wi-Fi board, and neutral wire the direct connect with Wi-Fi board, and there are 4 switch connect for control the appliances. You can see the sample of Wi-Fi board. This is the PCB. Here I don't talk the component of the PCB, just talk about the wiring of the PCB. Okay, you can see this is the inside our Wi-Fi board, how to connect the wire with the appliance. In the right side you can see the 5 2-pin terminal. This one for power supply. You can see this the power supply. The neutral wire connect direct with the Wi-Fi board, and red wire connect with the Wi-Fi switch, means this red wire. Here I use the same color of wire. You can choose any color of the wire, but in standard color means red wire means live wire and black wire means neutral wire. You can use any wire. This red wire connect with this is the power switch and then back the Wi-Fi board. Okay, and other 4 2-pin terminal is control the 4 appliance. Okay, this is the connect with the 4 switch. This is the 4 switch for the control the 4 appliance. 4 appliance means 3 bulb and 1 5 socket. You can see this is the 5 pin socket. Here I connect a lamp. You can connect any phone charging or TV. Okay, in left side of the PCB you can see the 3 terminal PCB connector. Here 5 number of 3 pin PCB connector. In manual you can see the 3 pin connector. The red wire means live wire and black wire means neutral wire. You can see the 4 3 pin terminal. I use same color of you have a problem, but not issue for this wiring. The middle screw of the 3 pin terminal is neutral. You can see the middle screw of each 3 pin terminal is neutral, and the left side means this one I point out. This one is the live wire. Okay, this is live wire, this is live wire, this is live wire, this is live wire. You can see this is the red one is live wire, and this is the live wire, this is the live wire, this is the live wire. But for fan, middle one is neutral and this one is live wire, means opposite of the middle pin. This is the live wire connect to the fan. And this 3 pin terminal you can see it is connect with the 5 pin socket. Middle one is neutral. Neutral is connected through the neutral of the 5-pin socket, and this one live wire. Live wire connected to the live pin of the 3-pin socket, 5-pin socket. Before I told you, this is the switch for control the 4 appliance, means 3 bulb or 1 socket. Okay, this 4 terminal is connected with the 4 switch. This is the power switch, and this is the front view of the Wi-Fi board. Okay, this is the 4 switch of 4 appliance control, and this is the power switch, which is the power supply of the means power. This is the power switch when for maintaining the board, for use the maintaining the board is maintained. And this is the erase button for erasing the memory of the ESP32. This is the ESP32, and this is the egg indicator. This is the power switch. You can see the picture. This is the power switch which is connected with power supply and Wi-Fi board with in live wire. Okay. This is the, I told you, this is the erase button, and this is the indicator for which one, when the board is the Bluetooth is available, or when the board is connected with the Wi-Fi available network. Then this is the regulator for control the speed control of the fan. Okay, this is the 5-pin socket. There are 4 switch. You can see there are 4 switch.